Today we're diving into the features of the Chicco KeyFit 35 ClearTex infant rear-facing car seat, designed for infants weighing between 4 to 35 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. This car seat is renowned for its simple, accurate, and secure installation, thanks to 2 bubble level indicators, a spring-loaded leveling foot, and a premium latch connector, ensuring your baby's safety and your peace of mind. The Easy-Extend Headrest System allows for maximum rear-facing use, featuring a 5-position headrest that adjusts with the harness and an integrated anti-rebound bar for added stability and legroom. With no added chemicals, the ClearTex fabric is GREENGUARD Gold certified, promoting healthier air quality around your baby. Compatible with Chicco strollers, this car seat clicks securely into the stay-in-car base and offers a convenient one-hand release for seamless transitions between car and stroller. KeyFit 35 ClearTex is equipped with a carrier shell lined with EPS energy-absorbing foam, providing enhanced impact protection, and includes a removable infant head and body support insert for newborns weighing 4 to 11 pounds. Experience the ultimate in baby travel gear with the Chicco KeyFit 35 ClearTex, where safety, comfort, and convenience come together effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.